Hey there, so today we're going to be talking about construction planes inside of Autodesk Inventor. Now construction planes can definitely help you out, especially if you're trying to create some sort of reference geometry or reference sketches and you really don't have any nice surfaces or nice planar surfaces to create that sketch on. Right, so let's go ahead and create a midplane about the width of this tab. Right, so a lot of people, what they would do is hit the drop down, select midplane between two planes. But what you can also do is just select the regular plane command, select this face, and notice that it hasn't yet created that plane, right? So if I click on the face opposite to it, notice that it automatically picked up that I wanted to create that midplane, and it creates the midplane about the width of that feature. Now let's say we wanted a plane that was through this edge and it was 30 degrees from this face. Right, so once again, select that plane command. So we want the plane to be through that edge 30 degrees from this face. Right, so I can do 30 degrees. Notice that it creates the plane at 30 degrees. If I change that to a negative 30, it creates it going the opposite way. Right, and then lastly, again, construction planes can definitely help you out when you're working with the sweep command, right? So notice that I have this sketch already created. When you select the drop down for the plane, you can select normal to curve at a point, right? So that's a pretty useful command here. If I select the sketch curve, select the point that I want my plane to be created on, notice that it creates that plane. What I could do from here is start a sketch on that plane, and then I'm going to want to go ahead and project some geometry here, right? So I can get a starting point. So now if I start my circle here, this is essentially just giving me the profile of my sweep. Head over to the model tab, select the sweep command, and my path is going to be the sketch that I just created, and make a cut. Right, so it automatically creates that sweep command based off of the sketch that I just created. Right, so that's been working with construction planes inside of Autodesk Inventor. Hope that helped.